WinRAR is a trialware application. It is very useful software and compresses the files in an efficient and secure manner. So today we will show you how to install WinRAR on Windows. Firstly, visit the official website using any web browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and many more. Then, click on the Download WinRAR button option available there. Then, next screen will open. Now click on Continue to Download WinRAR button. Now check for the executable file in the Downloads folder of your system and open it. It will prompt confirmation to make changes to your system and click on Yes. After clicking on the executable file, the setup will start now. Click on the Install button. Then, now after the installation, select all the format, tick on jar and click on Add WinRAR to desktop. After selecting, click on the OK button. The installation is finished now. Click on the Done button. WinRAR is successfully installed on the system and an icon is created on the desktop. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.